There was once a young monk who constantly complained. If the food was too plain, he complained. If the weather was hot, he complained. If it rained, he complained. One day he came to the Buddha and said angrily, "Master, why is life so unfair? Why must we suffer from hunger, heat, cold, and discomfort? It is endless misery." The Buddha listened patiently. Then he asked the monk to fetch a bowl of water. When the monk brought it, the Buddha handed him a handful of salt and said, "Put this salt in the bowl and drink." The monk sipped and immediately spit it out. "It's bitter," he exclaimed. Then the Buddha led him to a nearby river, gave him another handful of salt and said, "Throw this into the river and drink." The monk did so. He drank the river water and said, "Master, the water is fresh. I can't taste the salt at all." The Buddha looked at him kindly and said, "The bitterness of salt is like the pain of life. Whether life tastes bitter or not depends on the container you hold it in. If your heart is small like a bowl, even a little suffering makes you bitter. But if your heart is vast like a river, suffering becomes nothing. Expand your heart, and you will not be destroyed by life's pain." The monk bowed in silence, realizing that the problem was not life itself, but the size of his own heart. Moral: life struggles will always exist. But if you grow a vast heart of compassion and patience, suffering loses its grip on you.